Hi, thank you for joining this video. I will show you how to access your NAU Financial Aid Portal. The first step will be just looking up for North American University on any search engine, and the first result that comes out is going to lead you to NAU's main website. Here we go. From here, you can access your portal through this 365 portal link, or you can go to Students tab and click on Office 365. Or you can just look for Office 365 on any search engine, click the first result, and go to sign in. So I'm actually signed in already, but for the purpose of this video, I will sign up. And here is sign in. Okay, guys. So in order to sign in to Office 365, you need to have an NAU login and password. Whenever you receive your acceptance letter, please allow 1 to 2 days for our IT department to create your login information, your NAU email. After that, please look up for helpdesk@na.edu email on the main email address that you provided on the application stage, and you should receive your NAU account and password right after your acceptance concludes, okay? So all NAU emails end with @na.edu. Mine is tlrebekova@na.edu. Click next. It's school account. And it asks for your password. When you're signing in the first time, you will obviously use the password that NAU provided, but after that, you can always change it to anything you want. Let's say yes. So this is your portal, guys. From here, you can easily find your financial aid app. So it's this one, but I'll just expand everything and show you that way. Okay. So this is the interface. From there, you need to access other and then click on financial aid app. So let me just show you. This is my financial aid interface. I mean, not financial aid, Office 365 interface. From there, you click this 9 dots. It's called App Launcher. And then you get to see all of your apps. There are a lot of useful apps like Outlook. Outlook is the Microsoft email. All of your instructors, your classmates will be using Outlook during a semester. Please make sure to check your email every single time because you will be receiving emails from other departments, from admissions, and from your instructors as well. So this should be your go-to school email. You also have OneDrive, online Excel, online Word, and Forms. You also have a to-do list, Teams, SharePoint, and these are the NAU apps that we have. So you have Moodle NAU here, My Portal, EBSCO, which is an online NAU library that you can use every time when you're writing a research paper. And this is the one that we need, Financial Aid NAU. Let's click on that. Okay, so it also asks for your username and password. Use the same username and password that you used to log in. The only difference will be when you are writing your username, just put it without @na.edu. Okay, so it's simply tlrebekova and my password. Here is my financial aid portal. The first thing you guys will see here is the total offer and total accepted aid. Total offer is your scholarship, if you have any, and the financial aid that was offered to you. But in order to get your financial aid kicked in, you need to work on your documents. So the first step will be just going to fafsa.gov and applying to the right award year. Okay, let me also mention this. So you get accepted, you receive your account and password, and when you get enrolled, which is a different stage. Enrolled means when you guys sign the enrollment agreement with North American University, you will get an email from admissions with the subject, "You are enrolled, what is next?" Please make sure to read everything thoroughly because it has a lot of useful information on financial aid, on registration, on classes and everything, okay? So whenever you get there, you will also have some additional information on financial aid. But before that, you guys know that you can always apply to FAFSA by going to fafsa.gov, or you can just Google search it anywhere, okay? And make sure to choose the right award year. If you're applying in 2021 and 2022, that's your award year. Make sure to put that while you are applying to FAFSA. So you did your FAFSA application and we received it in our system. And here you will see your scholarship and your aid together. And then you will have an option to accept or to reject the aid and the scholarship. So do that, guys, for sure. Don't leave it blank, accept it or reject it, whichever you are going to do. And then after that, it's not the end. You need to go to the documents. So this documents part is where you have to really work on. Right here, you will have all the documents that you need to submit for your FAFSA to finalize and be in our system before the academic year starts, okay? So make sure to go to documents, check all the missing documents. You'll also have comments and links how to access each form, how to fill out each form. And if you have any questions or difficulties, you can always reach out to our financial aid department. You can click to each link and read what is it, how to fill it out. And if you have any problems or if you did it incorrectly, then you will also receive a comment. It will be rejected. You will set a comment, you will redo it and submit it. And if it is submitted, then you will go from the red side to the green side, okay? That's what you have to do. That's what you really have to do, guys. Whenever you finish with FAFSA application, doesn't mean that you're done. There are also other documents that you have to submit after that, okay? So make sure to log into your financial aid, check everything thoroughly and submit all of your documents. There are also some other useful links up here. College financing plan. You can do your own financing plan right here. This is parent portal setup. They can set up, your parents can set up their own portal and view your GPA, your awards, or any documents that you need to submit as soon as possible. The cost of attendance, total offer. It's a very, very useful app right here. Make sure to use it. Make sure to check it. Make sure to read all of your emails thoroughly and reply to them if needed. I also want to show you how to access your regular academic portal. So yeah, let me just get out of financial aid. Okay, so let's say you guys logged in to Office 365. You clicked all apps, or yeah, you clicked all apps, and here's my portal. My portal is going to be your academic portal where you can see your payments, where you can see your classes, your class schedules, your finances, where you can see your attendance and everything. This is a very useful app as well. Make sure to check it every day, just as you check your email. Make sure to check this part every day. And this portal is also going to be used for online classes. So that's it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, reach out to nau@na.edu. If this is a financial aid question, reach out to financialaid@na.edu. Thank you.